Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I'm real excited about today because I'm doing something that I've never done before. I am making a Grinch Mug centerpiece, okay? So I got the mug, and then I had this styrofoam ball, which is very, very important. I'm gonna set this to the side just for a second. You're gonna need some greenery, and you're gonna need some spray and fun stuff like that. And if you want a bow at the end, you're gonna need ribbon for that, okay? So I wanna start with this piece right here because it's the bigger one, okay? Now, it came exactly like this from Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna kind of pull on the branches a little bit just to really fan it out for a good background, because this is gonna be the background of my mug, okay? Here we go, that worked perfect. How cute is that? Okay, we're done. See y'all later. No, I'm kidding. But we're gonna make it full, we're gonna make it whimsy, we're gonna make it fun. And then if there's any filler we need to do down around the bottom so that you don't see the styrofoam, because here's what it looks like, then we will do that, okay? Here it is like this. So here we are so far. This is adorable. Obviously it needs some little tweaking, but most of all, it's just super cute. I have some little little small ornaments. I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but I might. I have these for fillers. And then I also have these that I had gotten that I might use. And they were $3, oh, they're upside down, from Dollar General. I'm gonna go ahead around the top part and just put a little glue and then stick it around in my, like down at the bottom, so that it, oops, I just dropped it in there on accident, so that it kind of fills up the space in the mug. Do you see what I'm doing? I don't know if you can tell, but I'm putting it down in the mug, okay? This is what it looks like. It's got the little balls down in it so that you can't see. But another thing to do would also be grab a stem of something, of some greenery, and just barely clip some of it off and start sticking it around. And ta-da! Look, y'all, how stinking precious. Oh, how cute. This is from this is from Walmart, and I love this. It's velvet, it is wired, it was $5, and it's 30 foot. I thought this was gorgeous, and it definitely looks good with my Grinch theme. I actually decided to do it a little bit different. I put one piece of this, and then I overlapped it with this, and then did the same thing overlapping it. Here is my bow. Of course, it's not put together. It's just like this, and then we're just gonna pull it together. I'm gonna take some cording because I've got some, and that's what I'm gonna use to tie it. But you know, use whatever you got on hand. Okay, so here's my little bow. And this part will tame, you know, of course. But there's that. Now, so what you can do when you have cut a stem is save it for later if you want to. This one's a glitter stem, so it's gonna be real pretty. And then you can just attach your bow, or you can attach a big ornament or whatever it is that you want to, and you can stick it on there and then stick it down in your design. And if you decide, I don't know, the bow's a little much, pull it out. It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna glue it in. I'm just gonna stick it in just to show y'all. So here's the bow, which I just don't prefer the bow in it personally, because I didn't design it to have a bow, okay? I just don't really love the bow in it, so I'm gonna take it out. But I'm gonna tell you, and I know that a lot of people put it on a pick like this, and that's how they do it. If they do a bow like this, I mean, you don't have to do that. You can take it off of this and maybe hot glue it like smack dab in the center. So I'm actually gonna, let's take it off of this. All it is hot glue, so it'll come right off. You could easily just stick it in your design, even like this, and do it like that and glue it in there, okay? And I actually like this better if I wanted to do it. But how cute is that? This is kind of the final look. I will move it around a little more once I get to look at it and play with it a little more. But how fun is this? I absolutely love it. Watch it from the beginning, share it with a friend. This will be a great little gift idea to give anybody. Listen, anybody. Thank y'all so much, and I hope y'all have a very fantastic day, and I hope you are inspired. Bye, guys.